Hi everyone, I am Naoki です。よろしく。Today I found Olympic official shop in Odaiba. So this is biggest official Olympic shop in Tokyo. I'm wondering what kind of goods they have. So today we will check it out. Okay? Are you interested? No? Please follow me. Okay, let's go. It is 30 days before Tokyo Olympic. Now Tokyo Olympic goods are not popular. So sad. Some media say people don't really buy Olympic product. Actually, I was the first customer to buy goods on this day. It was Saturday night. I feel like I have a rare product. Yay! Please guess what I bought on this day. Hint, I am poor boy. It's nice, isn't it? But a bit too big to show off Olympics and 2020. Yeah, I love it. This small logo, not to show off Olympics. 東京オリンピックスじゃないよね。東京オリンピックスって感じ。It's like a 東京オリンピックス。これいいじゃん。Yeah, price is 2,500 yen. No, not big. No, not big. Yeah, I believe strongly they are not sold until Olympic end. 売れないでしょ。Who buy? Who want to buy? Who want to buy? ね。I ask staff which one is number one popular. This one. これ。This one is number one popular among this shop. torch figure 2,000 yen まあ it is まあメモリアルフィギュアだよね You should put it in your house って感じなんだろうね Please guess what price is for じゃじゃん This is second popular towel because now so hot. Summer is coming, so this is cool. Ne? Yeah, useful. Every time I see this character, I'm wondering who buy it. Short stick. Oh, good price. It's so funny. T-shirts. Olympic T-shirts. Oh, very simple. Already I walk around here for 20 minutes. What item I want to buy is maybe yeah I know as you can see I love hat so maybe this hat it will be memorial for my this year so people is exciting to see Olympic so これは maybe good item for me and not expensive Olympic trap price, not Olympic trap price. This staff, yeah, tell me this is number one fit for me. これが一番似合ってますよね。Yeah, she said. Yeah, thank you very much. ありがとうございます。あ、サーフィンありがとうございます。スモールだね。でもいいじゃん。Small. This is surfing edition. まあ、I don't like this character. So まあ、嬉しい。I'm happy to get it. ここに。どうもでした。ありがとうございました。わーい。
ありがとうございました。
I join 東京オリンピック。See you. Yeah, so today I'm satisfied to shopping here. I get new hat and get plate and small note. Yeah, so nice. And unfortunately, those shops are not popular now. I know. I know. Only I am customer today. She said. So sad. 笑ってていいの? Okay, everyone. See you.